Now, next folks, let's test out the wireless charging through this case so we can plop down the S22 Ultra right here and boom, yes, it wirelessly charges through it. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, cases, tech accessories, computers, tablets, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this guy right here. This is the OtterBox Symmetry Series Clear Case for none other than the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra right here. So before we start getting this case out of the box, I do have to give a huge thank you to OtterBox for sending this case out to me for free in order to make this video about it. So thank you very much, OtterBox. But now anyway, without further ado, let's get this case out of the box. Here we go. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. As you can see, it says OtterBox Symmetry, 3 times drop trusted by military standard, ultra thin design, and made with more than 50% recycled plastic. It is for, of course, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and right here we have a massive cutout where we can actually see and touch the case itself. So anyway, let's just open up this box and see what the case is all about. So we can go ahead and peel this little sticker over here on the back, and then we can just pop it open and pull the case itself out. So here it is. We also should have some paperwork in there. Yup. And now that we've seen what is in the box, let's take a look at this case. So we can grab my S22 Ultra right here and let's just put it right in and see how this case looks on it. So we can go ahead and pop it right in. Let's see. There we go. And it took a bit of work to put that on right there, but now that we got it on, let's see how it looks. So first impression, as you can see, it is very, very clear. On the back of the phone, we can still see Samsung right there, and we can see this beautiful phantom black color that I got on my S22 Ultra right here. Over here on this side, we've got nothing. Actually, no, we have an OtterBox logo right there. That is pretty cool. Can you guys see that? It says OtterBox. Over here on this side, we've got the power button and we've got the volume buttons right here. A bit hard to press them right there. Over here on the back, we've got the S Pen slot right here, and we can still get that out right there. If you want to use the S Pen, we can put that back in. Over here, we've got speaker grill, USB-C port, and also over here on the top, we got a cutout for the mic, and over on the front, we do have those raised lips right here. So in theory, if you put your phone face down on a flat surface like a table, the screen should not be touching the table, which is definitely good right there. And those raised lips kind of made it a bit harder to get this case on. I kind of had to really squeeze it in there, but now that it's on, as you can see, this is a very slim case. Now, next folks, let's test out the wireless charging through this case so we can plop down the S22 Ultra right here and boom, yes, it wirelessly charges through it just as advertised. And with that, folks, there's not really much more to say about this OtterBox Symmetry clear case for the Galaxy S22 Ultra right here. So if you guys want it for yourself, it'll set you back about $55. So definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this case. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you have it for yourselves? Let me know, because I do read all the comments, by the way. And if you are in the market for your very own case for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, definitely be sure to check out my playlist of all the different cases I've unboxed for this phone. I'll have a link to that down in the description, so be sure to check that out. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.